delivered into specific cells or injected in vivo. Carrier molecule RGD peptide has been very useful of targeted in vivo imaging. 2. Topically applied surface enhanced resonance Raman ratiometric spectroscopy, TARS-3RS. TARS-3RS is another technique that is starting to make advancement in the medical field. It is an imaging technique that uses folate receptors, FR, to detect tumor lesions as small as 370 micrometers. Folate receptors are membrane-bound surface proteins that bind folates and folate conjugates with high affinity. FR is frequently overexpressed in a number of human malignancies including cancer of the ovary, lung, kidney, breast, bladder, brain, and endometrium. Raman imaging is a type of spectroscopy that is used in chemistry to provide structural fingerprint by which molecules can be identified. It relies upon inelastic scattering of photons, which result in ultra-high sensitivity. There was a study that was done where 2 different surface-enhanced resonance Raman scattering were synthesized, says. One of the cells was a targeted nanoprobe functionalized with an antifolate receptor antibody, FRAB, via a pegmalamide succinimide and using the infrared dye IR780 as the Raman reporter, henceforth referred to as FRNP, and an untargeted probe, NTNP, coated with PEG 5000 malamide and featuring the IR140 infrared dye as the Raman reporter. These 2 different mixtures were injected into tumor-bearing mice and healthy controlled mice. The mice were imaged with bioluminescence, BLI, signal that produces light energy within an organism's body. They were also scanned with the Raman microscope in order to be able to see the correlation between the TARS-3RS and the BLI map. TARS-3RS did not show anything in the healthy mice, but was able to locate the tumor lesions in the infected mice and also able to create a TARS-3RS map that could be used as guidance during surgery. TARS-3RS shows to be promising in being able to combat ovarian and peritoneal cancer as it allows early detection with high accuracy. This technique can be administered locally, which is an advantage as it does not have to enter the bloodstream and therefore bypassing the toxicity concerns circulating nanoprobes. This technique is also more photostable than fluorochromes because says nanoparticles cannot form from biomolecules and therefore there would not be any false positives in TARS-3RS as there is in fluorescence imaging. See also, edit. 1. Artificial enzyme. 2. Directional freezing. 3. List of software for nanostructures modeling. 4. Nanostructure. 5. Nanotopography. 6. Nanozymes. References, edit.